All right, here we are at Decorative Concrete Institute. We're getting ready to do a countertop for some brothers of ours based out of Atlanta, Georgia, with all kinds of crazy embedments. Those are just general notes there. The bottom of the picture there, that's going to be a license plate. We've got all kinds of gears and sprockets, and obviously the theme is rusted metal with motorcycle chains and motorcycle parts. And we've actually embedded some rivets on the face of these foam rails or these foam walls. So we're going to have a couple different elevation changes. As you can see, a couple of the bigger gears and sprockets, we had to put foam in there, and then of course the foam will strip out. Here's our friends from Team Dreamcrete down training with us for this 4-day class, and we're going to pour a lot of different concrete countertops, including this cast in place. Jeremy and the guys wanted to learn some cast in place, so they're getting ready to pour this. And the mixer we're going to be using has been donated by Bart Sacco of Kingdom Products. And Bart, we appreciate your support. The mix works great, by the way, for both pre-casting and casting in place. Okay, we've cast the countertops, and Jeremy is hard at it right there. He's routering the edge, put a chamfer on the edge. There's Nathan doing some detail work on one of the embedments. And then, as you can see here, we've got the gears and the sprockets, and it really came out nice. We had to use a pneumatic air-driven tool. Well, that's kind of cool. That's going to get embedded as well. But we had to use a little air-driven tool called the Wasp, and that's my wife, Leanne. That's what she's doing. Hey, baby. Her glasses remind me of Bono. Anyways, there's Mike Eastergaard of Priatech down for the class. What's up, buddy? There he is. There's James from Dreamcrete. And all in all, it just really came out great. So we're doing the detailing, and then we're going to go in. Leanne and I worked through the weekend to create this rusted metal effect, and I think we pulled it off pretty nice. We used a combination of both acid stains and Decorative Concrete Institute dyes on the rivet sections, like right there. We made it look like it's rusting. Even on the license plate frames, it looks like it's rusting. We did that with an airbrush and dyes. Just got some really cool effects, and as you can see on the rivets, we gave the illusion of a shadow and a light, where it looks like the rivets are actually recessed into the concrete countertop, and in reality they're flat. That's just with using shadow and light. Did a logo for our friends here. Came out really nice, but again, the motorcycle frame, license plate, and the toy gun and the parts. This is a really neat detail. This is where two countertops meet. We recessed this area down where we've cut a motorcycle chain apart, and what we're going to do is take this gear and epoxy it where it's actually higher or raised up above the countertop, which is just a neat element. So we've got some three-dimensional action going on as well. So all in all, this was a fun project, a lot of hard work. Everybody jumped in and made it happen. We did a 3-inch turn down edge. This is intentional. We let the stains and the dyes just kind of ooze down the front edge and run over the edge. And a couple close-ups of some engraving that we did. There's the motorcycle chain. That's embedded into the countertop. And then a couple of other elements. We did a Harley emblem in which we knocked it out and embedded the Harley emblem. Now you'll see a little bit of curing. This countertop only has one coat of sealer, so we do need to put one other additional coat of sealer on there to make it all uniform and look good. But there's the Harley logo, so that's actually embossed down into the concrete and then filled with water clear epoxy. And we used a super durable polyurethane that is just incredibly durable. You could actually take a penny and rub it across it until the penny gets so hot you're going to burn your finger, and the penny's clean on the other side, and that's how durable this sealer is. So you can drag glasses or slide anything you want it across it without scratches. In any event, hope you like this countertop. Stay tuned. Thanks.